Hello and welcome. I'm Mr. Harper-Smith. Today we're going to be talking about simplifying polynomials. Whether it's multiplying or adding, maybe multiplying and adding, there could be a little bit of both there going on. So here, I have almost the exact same problem written. 3x plus 2, 4x minus 5. 3x plus 2, 4x minus 5. They're almost the exact same. The only difference is this one has an addition sign. This one doesn't have anything. When there's nothing between those parentheses, we infer that it means multiply, okay? So let's try simplifying both of these problems and see what we get. When you're multiplying two polynomials, I always like to use what's called the box method. Now this is a review for a lot of you. This shouldn't be anything too new, okay? I like to make the box method. So what I do is I look at the first one and I say, okay, there's two parts to it, so I'm going to have two columns, 3x and 2. Then I look at the second binomial, trinomial, polynomial. It has two binomials.
At this time, all teachers need to take attendance. All teachers, please take attendance and reconcile for yesterday. Thank you.
Okay, bye. Okay, so here, this is a binomial, so I get two rows. 4x and minus 5. Okay, each of these open boxes, what I'm going to do is I just multiply the row and the column. So 3x times 4x is 12x squared. Remember, when you're doing x times x, you get x squared. 4x times 2 is 8x. I don't make it squared because this one didn't have an x on it. Negative 5 and 3x, negative 15x. Negative 5 and 2 gives me negative 10. That gives me 12x squared. I can combine these two since they both have 1x. Negative 15 and 8, if you add them together, give you negative 7x minus 10. Okay. That's what happens when you multiply those two binomials together. Let's see what we get when we add. When you add, you're just adding like terms. So we've got a 3x and a 4x, so those are the same. 3x plus 4x is 7x. 2 plus negative 5, neither of them have an x, so I combine those together, gives me negative 3. Ta-da! All right, let's try another two examples. Write them down on your paper. You notice the one on the left, we're going to be multiplying. The one on the right, we're going to be subtracting. Let's do this one on the right first, okay? So I'm going to look for like terms. I've got a 3x squared. Are there any x squareds over here? There's not. So I'm going to do 3x squared minus nothing is just going to give me 3x squared. After x squared would be x. Do I have any x's? Ooh, I do over here. I don't have any x's over here. So if I've got 0 minus 2x, what's 0 minus 2x? It's going to be minus 2x, negative 2x. Finally, I have negative 5 minus 1. What's negative 5 minus 1? Negative 6. Okay. That negative 5 and the 1 were the only two that were really able to be subtracted from each other. Let's look over here now. Remember, I like to do the box method. Guys, if you have to, you can pause the video and make sure that you can get caught up on your notes. So I'm going to look. I've got 2, so I did 2 wide, 2 tall, 3x squared minus 5. I've got 2x and 1. When I multiply, that gives me 6x cubed minus 10x. 1 times 3x is 3x squared. 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. Okay. It gives me 6x cubed minus 10x. Well, actually, I'm going to do this one first. Cubed plus 3x squared. I like to do them in order of their exponent. Minus 10x minus 5. All right, I want you to try the next two problems. Okay, here are the two that I want you to try. Pause the video, give them a try. When you are done, restart the video, and we will check them together. Okay, you should pause the video. You should have your answers by now. Let's go over them. Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Got you taken by the Joe. If y'all let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. All right, we're going to do this one first. So, I'm first going to look at x squareds. Do I have any x squareds over here? I don't. So x squared minus 0 is just 8x squared. And we look at the 2x. Do I have any x's over here? Ooh, I do. What's 2x minus 2x? Nothing. Ah! All right, next up, let's try the plus 1. Plus 1 minus plus 1. What's 1 minus 1? It's nothing. So your answer is just 8x squared. Let's look over here. The first one, it's a trinomial. 3. That means that my box is going to be 3 wide and 2 tall. Okay, so 8x squared, 2x and 1, 2x and 1. Let's see what we get. 2 times 8 is 16x cubed, because I've got 3 x's. There's 2 x's. There's 1 x. If I have 2 x's and 1 x, that's going to be 3 x's. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x and 1 is 2x. 8x squared and 1 gives me 8x squared. 1 times 2x is 2x. 1 times 1 is 1. Now I need to go through and combine like terms. So, do I have any other x cubes? I don't. So 16x cubed. Ooh, both of those are x squared. So 12x squared. Remember, I'm adding these together. 2x and 2x, that gives me plus 4x. So I've got this plus 1 on the end. There we go. Cool, cool. All right, the time is yours. Jump over, try the assignment that we have for you guys today. If you have any questions, ask your math teacher. They are more than happy to help you, whether it's me that's going to be helping you, Miss Hess, Miss Lowry, whoever it is, we're always happy to help. See you guys.